And tonight, under the glow of thousands of years, I give you this vow. I have gone to war for our country, and I will always go to war for our country. Not with hate, but with the weapons of law, with the weapons of truth, with the weapons of courage and conscience. I will go to war against corruption, which steals from our children. I will go to war against crime, which stalks our homes. I will go to war against neglect, which mocks our poor and abandons our youth. You see, leadership is not privilege, it is protection. And love, real love, never walks away when people are in danger. Love fights, love endures, and love leads. And so, in the story of the first Diwali, when Ram and Sita returned to Ayodhya, the city awakened with joy. Families swept their courtyards clean. Children rolled out cotton wicks. Mothers and fathers lit their lamps until the city gleamed like sunrise. That was the first Diwali, the night love came home. This year, when you lift your diyas and you brought your government home, I felt that same light. After 10 years in the wilderness, all of us who labored there in the darkness, after 10 years we returned, not to rule, but to serve. Not to claim victory, but to rebuild Love Skipnam. That night, our nation was Ayodhya, reborn. And so I tell you, Diwali teaches us that light does not hide from darkness. Light confronts darkness. Leadership is not about standing above people, but it's about standing with people. Love is not spoken. Love is indeed lived. Like Ram and Sita, I have known what it means to be tested. I have known what it means to wait. I have known what it is to do to fight. And I have known what it is to return. And like Sita and Ram and the others who went with them, and when they returned, I will never stop fighting for righteousness. I will never stop fighting for safety. I will never ever stop fighting for dignity in every home.